Lost my job, my wife, she left. My dog, he got hit by a truck. I got in a wreck coming home from the vet. You might say that I've run out of luck. Stubbed my toe on the door about 4:15. Yeah, it's been one hell of a day. But I've got a friend I know I can count on when things just ain't going my way. Beer makes everything better. Yeah, that's absolutely, positively certain and abundantly clear. You know we ain't living forever, so pour me a cold one, 'cause everything's better with beer. I ain't complaining, it don't do no good. Everybody's got their own kind of trouble they'd change if they could. I just meet my buddies where the music's playing loud, and they ask, how's your pup, as we all belly up and we order around and get lost in the crowd. Beer makes everything better. Yeah, that's absolutely, positively certain and abundantly clear. You know we ain't living forever, so pour me a cold one, 'cause everything's better with beer. Well, the joint is jumping, I feel right at home, 'cause the band is cranking up some old George Jones out on the dance floor rocking. A little honey showing off some ink. Yeah, she's a pretty young thing who ain't wearing a ring. She just gave me a wink and said, buy me a drink. Beer makes everything better. Yeah, that's absolutely, positively certain and abundantly clear. But you know we ain't living forever, so pour me a cold one, 'cause everything's better with a beer. Oh yeah. I said beer makes everything better. Yeah, that's absolutely, positively, supercalifragically clear. But you know we ain't living forever, so pour me a cold one, 'cause everything's better with beer. Well, I said pour me a cold one, it's out with the old one and in with the new one who's looking to have fun. I think I just met her. Hell, life is just better with beer.
Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday night, I need to blow off some steam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been rolling in since the clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow. We're walking to the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order up around the shops and it's away we go. Switch up, roll down, get down. Order up another round of shots. Run, get drunk, get some, have fun. Ain't this trouble, baby, like it or not. into the homework week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow. So come on now, man, if you play me none of them slow songs. I need boots, scooting, barn burning, hell raising, get up and go songs. But give me something hot, just give me all you got. Now let's give old Luke Miller a try. Go ahead. Well, it's a